Hello everyone, great to have your company on Kalkine TV. I'm Daniel and you're watching the Buzzing Trends. Today we'll be looking at how 4 ASX banking stocks have done so far in 2022. So let's get started. Despite benchmark trading on a volatile note, ASX-listed financial stocks have stormed higher in the past few weeks. The primary reason behind the recent surge is expectations of an interest rate hike amid a rise in inflation. While a rise in commercial mortgage rates is a negative for a borrower, it's a huge positive for banks holding these mortgages. It leads to a rise in net profit, free cash flow, and cash on the balance sheet for banking institutions. Higher earnings may also result in higher dividends for eligible shareholders. Let's talk about how 4 ASX banking stocks have done so far in 2022. The Commonwealth Bank of Australia is the first stock on our list. The Commonwealth Bank of Australia, or CommBank, is an Australian multinational bank with businesses across New Zealand, Asia, the United States and the United Kingdom. The Commonwealth Bank of Australia's share price has surged over 4% so far this year. In the past year, the stock has risen over 25%. The stock closed at $105.70 Australian dollars on Monday. For the year ending 31st December 2021, CommBank reported over 20% rise in profit. The bank's cash net profit after tax jumped 23% from the first half of the year to 4.75 billion Australian dollars. The Australian Bank also announced its plans for a $2 billion Australian buyback. Moving on to the second on the list is the National Australia Bank. It is one of the 4 largest financial institutions in Australia in terms of market capitalisation, earnings and customers. National Australia Bank's share price has risen nearly 6% year to date. In the past year, the stock has risen over 19%. The stock closed at $30.90 Australian on Monday. For the 3 months ending 31st December 2021, it announced a fall in its net interest margin, which dipped by 5 BPS to 1.64%. National Australia reported an 8% rise in revenue during that period. Third on the list is Westpac Banking Corporation. Known simply as Westpac, it is an Australian bank and financial service provider headquartered in Sydney, Australia. Westpac Banking Corporation's share price has rallied nearly 9% so far this year. In the past year, the stock has fallen almost 4%, however. The stock closed at $23.55 Australian on Monday. In the first quarter of the financial year for 2022, Westpac reported an unaudited statutory net profit of 1.82 billion Australian dollars. It was an 80% rise on the second half of the quarterly average of 2021. And going on to the final stock on the list today is Australia and New Zealand Banking Group, also known as ANZ. It is an Australian multinational banking and financial services company headquartered in Melbourne. And Australian New Zealand Banking Group's share price has fallen over 1% so far this year. And in the past year, the stock has fallen over 2.5%. The stock closed at $27.58 Australian on Monday. For the 3 months ending 31st December 2022, ANZ announced an 8 basis points fall in the group net interest margin for the quarter. The underlying net interest margin was down 5 basis points. Well, we'll be back with our Buzzing Trends show tomorrow to share the latest market insights with you. Until then, stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more stock, business and economy related hot trends. This is Daniel reporting for Kalkine TV.